Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where we bring you the boldest, biggest, and most badass machines on the road. And today, we're diving into a true beast of luxury and power, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. This isn't just a truck. It's a rolling mansion built on a legendary platform. Let's hit the road. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 W900 still carries that unmistakable long-nose American trucker identity. It's all chrome, power, and pride. But don't be fooled. This version has been reborn as a fully loaded motorhome, designed for long hauls and longer stays. You get full-length side skirts, aerodynamic upgrades, and polished aluminum wheels that make it a showstopper wherever it goes. Under the hood, this beast packs a 15-liter Cummins X15 engine, pushing out around 565 horsepower and over 1,050 lb-ft of torque. That's more than enough to haul not just its own weight, but all your toys, ATVs, boats, even a trailer behind your motorhome, if you want. Paired with an 18-speed Eaton automatic transmission, it's smooth, powerful, and surprisingly fuel-efficient for its size. Now let's talk about the interior. And wow, it's a different world in here. This isn't your typical RV setup. Think custom leather seating, real wood cabinets, LED ambient lighting, and heated flooring. You've got a queen-size bed, a 40-inch smart TV, and a fully equipped kitchen with a convection microwave, induction cooktop, and even a full-size residential fridge. The bathroom? It's got a rainfall shower, porcelain toilet, and luxury finishes you'd expect in a five-star hotel. Honestly, it's hard to believe this all fits inside what was once a rugged semi-truck. The cockpit is all digital now. Kenworth has upgraded the dash with a high-res touchscreen for GPS, climate, and vehicle diagnostics. There's adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and even a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this monster easier than ever. Now, this motorhome is custom-built, so price tags vary, but expect to spend anywhere from $450,000 to over $650,000, depending on the features, finishes, and upgrades you go for. It's not cheap, but for what it offers, it's worth every penny for serious road warriors. Whether you're chasing sunsets across the country or living the nomadic luxury life full-time, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome gives you unmatched power, comfort, and freedom. It's the ultimate blend of a big rig and a luxury apartment on wheels. So, what do you think of this Road King? Would you trade your RV for this powerhouse? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a ride with Honest Auto Wheels. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those wheels rolling.